Hi guys, I'm Cindy Cisneros, owner of Creatively LLC, and I'm a certified creativity coach and licensed professional counselor. I am an artist and I serve artists of all different types. Questions that I get asked a lot is, what are those services? One is to business basics, because whether we like it or not, we may be really good at our creative craft, but we need to also understand and be good at artpreneurs and understanding the basics of doing business. All artpreneurs, a suite of business basics, and you can get a bunch of those on this channel with these videos, but there's a bunch more content if you click through to my creativity courses, including templates, other resources that I've gathered, and articles teach you three main things: how to write a business plan, how to do marketing, and how to do sales. And these are really the bulk of what anybody going to business for themselves need. And we as artists are entrepreneurs and need to understand these fundamentals. So one of the main goals of coaching is for you to absorb and understand these business basics. And I'm going to give you all of this information for free. And once you have content on board, the next thing that I offer with coaching is mindset. And this is the issues that we face as artists, our career, and whether it's things like imposter syndrome, or whether it's things like creative blocks, or whether it's really the execution of these business basics and trying to get into the industry or stand out authentically, or its competition, or its niche market, or its issues that we face as creative people in our spaces. There's mindset coaching and there's business basics that you free content through the creativity courses and DIY, and you can get live sessions with me to help and support you wherever you're stuck and need that extra little nudge.